I'm in Beaufort, North Carolina at Bach Marine, where we hauled out SV SeaSprite last April. You probably don't know the whole story, but after sailing offshore from Charleston to Southport, was motoring up the ICW, reached a place called Swan Point, and noticed that I had a lot of soot in the engine room and discovered that the exhaust elbow was failing. So brought the boat here to Bach Marine in April, left it here for some repairs. Unfortunately, the repairs took longer than we wanted, and we just didn't have time to come back down and finish the trip bringing her back to Chesapeake Bay. So she's been here since end of April, and it's now the beginning of September. Got a hurricane on the way, Hurricane Irma. And so we're frantically recommissioning the boat. We're going to launch her tomorrow. We've got about 6-7 days before the hurricane should make its presence felt on the Chesapeake Bay. So we're going to launch the boat tomorrow and get up north. So after a few quick recommissioning duties, like reinstalling the small solar panel on top of the bimini and reconnecting the chart plotter, straightening up down below, taking inventory and provisioning, we're going to give the good old girl a bath and make her look real nice and shiny and sparkly for the trip home. This old green paint is pretty faded, and it doesn't take long for it to oxidize. So we give it a good wax job every year, and then we got some fender rash here. Hopefully that'll buff out. Okay folks, so it's Tuesday the 5th of September. All the prep work is done on SV SeaSprite, and in a few minutes the crew from Bach Marine is going to bring the travel lift over, put her in the slings, and get us in the water. So far our plan remains the same. We're going to head up towards the Chesapeake Bay. The track of Hurricane Irma appears to have shifted west. But there's no knowing what the storm will do. It's still quite far away, and there's still, even if it goes right up the center of Florida, it could very much still impact North Carolina. So we feel like the best course of action is to get the boat up onto the Chesapeake Bay and up into a river to a protected marina. So stay tuned as we launch SV SeaSprite and head north. Mr. Traveler. Okay, Miss SeaSprite's back in the water, and engine's running. All the systems have been checked out. We've got the sail covers off, the halyards attached. and we're getting ready to cast off and get her home, get her someplace safe. We're here at Ocracoke Island. SV SeaSprite's is tied up to the public dock. It's about 6:30 in the morning on Thursday, the 7th of September, and we're going to head north, continue heading north, running away from Hurricane Irma, heading north towards Manteo. I didn't get much video coming over from Beaufort, but I'll try to do a better job today. I don't know how the wind's going to be. It looks like it might be on the nose for a bit. But we'll see. Come aboard. SV SeaSprite. Phase gray and underway. Okay, so we're about, I don't know, an hour and a half out of Ocracoke. Got the sails up, double reef in the main, double reef in the Genoa. Making about 5.5 knots. Headed towards Manteo. You can see the Pamlico Sound when it's windy like this and so shallow, 20-foot water depth. It'll give you a good beating. We're getting there. In the main now, no reefs in the Genoa, still doing about 6.5. Sound has calmed down a little bit. Wind has died off, probably doing about 12 knots now. Been a good time. All tied up, Manteo Marine. discretion the better part of valor. We just pulled in here, Mill Creek, between the Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel and Fort Monroe. Dropped the hook, took a nap, gonna watch some Breaking Bad, Netflix. Try again tomorrow. SeaSprite's back on D dock at Regent Point Marina. Almost in the same place she was when I found her 4 years ago. And what's next for this beautiful boat? Well, let's just see. It's big decision time. So stay tuned and we'll see what's going to happen.